What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and I would like you to imagine the following scenario. You have this page right here and you would like that a pop-up, a modal element appears into the page after some seconds of load to share some promotion, to share some newsletter, to share any kind of promotion or attention CTA that you would like to have, okay? How to do this on Slider Revolution is what you're gonna learn into this video. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin, enter with your login credentials, and you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one, okay? Scroll down until the bottom of the page, the bottom left of the page, and normally next to settings you're going to be able to find Slider Revolution. Click on it. Once on it, scroll down just a little bit and find the slider that would like to be your modal. In the case that you don't know how to create sliders, there is a video on our YouTube channel explaining how to do this. Just go to YouTube and search for Revolution Slider Visualmodo. Then hover a mouse over the slider and click into this pencil icon. And here is my slider. This slider can be my modal, okay? Once on the slider, reveal the upper right corner of your screen, okay? There is Slider Revolution logo and settings. Go to settings. Once on settings, scroll down and click on use as modal and page scroll allied, okay? So you must mark this option. Reveal the upper left corner of your screen and hit this save button into this diskette icon. Now we're gonna be able to embed this slider on our page, okay? So you can go to your page, go to edit page. I'm gonna be using the WordPress native editor, the block editor. Scroll down. I recommend that you always embed a modal slider into the bottom of your page. So click right here into add block, search for Revolution, the widget of Revolution slider. Wait while the slider loads. I'm gonna select my slider, this one right here. Then click on the slider and review the right side of my screen. Scroll down, we have modular layout and use as modal. I'm gonna select this one and mark the option. I would like that the modal loads, the pop-up loads 2 seconds after page loading. So pop-up after time. I'm gonna select this option right here. Then all I have to do is hit the save change into the upper right corner of my screen. Let's check the page. Page loaded. And in 2 seconds, the slider appears, a pop-up appears of the slider. But there is no way to close this. How to enable closing on this slider? This pop-up. Go to the slider. Review, once again, the upper left corner of my screen. And we have settings, timeline, layers, click on add. And find icon and click on plus. Search for a closing icon. Here is my option. Let me apply this right here, just like this. And here's gonna be my closing icon. I need to add an action to this icon, okay? So you click on it, review the upper right corner of my screen. We have these tabs. I'm gonna use this one right here of actions. And click into add new action, this pink button. Let me select the action. And right here on modal, we have close modal. Click, select modal. It's important that you select your slider. Gonna be general. Now, let's save our change. And let's go back to the page with the slider. So here's my page. 1, 2, slider loads, but there is now a closing button that I can use to close the slider. Simple, right? Let's try again. 1, 2, slider appears. Here is my closing button. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!